everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a special video for you. Recently helped to organize an ice cream social at my church. Maybe some of you saw my posts on Instagram and Facebook, and I made several of the ice cream toppings that we served, and I took lots and lots of pictures, and it was such a success and it was so much fun. I knew I had to do a video. We did a video right after we set everything up before we let people run through the line, and I've made up a couple of little ice cream sundaes here with each of the toppings. I made this creamy peanut butter ice cream topping, a hot fudge sauce, a hot salted caramel sauce, and a shortcut strawberry ice cream topping that are all so easy to make with ingredients you probably have in your pantry, and you're just gonna love them. So I have going to be building a page on my website. You'll be able to link through, and all of these recipes will be on there. Maybe sometime in the future I'll do individual videos sharing how to make these, but they're so simple and the recipes will talk you all the way through. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you go check out the recipes. You'll be able to find the link down below in the information box. Hi everyone, welcome back to not my kitchen. Welcome to my church. Today I am happy to be helping build an ultimate ice cream bar. We're having a guest speaker from Operation Christmas Child, who 17 years ago received a box of her own and still has happy memories, and she's coming to tell us about her experience of a Christmas shoebox. We're hosting her and we're having an ice cream social. I was invited to help out. I wanted to share with you what we did. This is super easy. Ice cream social is really easy to put together. If you're gonna have like a baby shower, this would be great for a wedding shower. It would be fantastic for a backyard barbecue, graduation. It would be great for that, to host your friends and your family. This is a build your own sundae bar, and the way I'm going to share this with you is how we have set it up. Now, we've set it up how we're going to have people run through it. Now, for those of you who didn't know, I grew up with a mom who was a caterer. I've done catering, and this is really, really simple and easy to throw together. All the tablecloths came from the Dollar Tree. I bought the cups and the spoons from Amazon, and I can leave links for you for those. They're wooden. These are bamboo spoons, and they're totally biodegradable, and I just love them. And then these are like little froyo containers, and these are 12-ounce ones. Like I said, I'll leave links down below. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them the best I can. They're going to get a cup or a cone. I have a station back here with a bread pan that has a little non-slip in the bottom, a couple of mason jars, and a couple of Dollar Tree ice cream scoops with some water to make scooping easy. I have both cake and sugar cones ready to go. We're going to be putting our ice cream in here. We're going to ice down with ice cream salt, like for your ice cream maker. It's going to keep the ice colder and keep it from melting fast, and it's going to keep the ice cream from melting too, which is super important. And this is one of those tubs that, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that I reorganized my kitchen shelving and I used these. This is one of those tubs, and when we're done, we're going to take it home and put the stuff back in it. Starting off here, we have strawberry topping and Hershey's syrup, and then I have my hot toppings. These I made. These are all homemade. Hot fudge, peanut butter, and caramel. When the time comes, we will be removing the lids from all of these. And then I have ladles. I went to the restaurant supply store. I picked these up for $2 a piece. If you have a restaurant supply in your area, you may want to check for those. They're inside of a crock pot. I have it set on high because it doesn't have a lid on it, and it's half filled with water, and that's going to help heat these up to melting so that they'll be nice and warm when it's time to serve, which is in about an hour, I'd say, and it's going to be perfect. Moving on down here, we've set up a little sprinkle station because who doesn't love sprinkles? And then we have our topping station. This is what I call an ultimate ice cream bar. We have toffee bits, mini chocolate chip cookies, mini pretzels, mini Nilla wafers, crushed nuts. These are mixed nuts that have been crushed up. These are graham square cereal. I have crushed Andes mints, mini chocolate chips, 2 containers of crushed Oreos because I know what people like, a container of shredded coconut, some mini marshmallows, gummy bears. These are mini gummy bears and mini gummy worms, and mini M&Ms, and Reese's Pieces. Reese's, get on the bandwagon, make some mini ones. Fruity Pebbles cereal. Down here we've got whipped cream. I have more in the fridge. Maraschino cherries, because you gotta top off your sundae. I also have wet walnuts and wet pecans that I made at home. And then down here we have more spoons and more napkins in case anyone forgot. Because I hate getting through a line and realizing I forgot to grab a spoon. Dummy. So that is our ultimate ice cream bar that we're going to be sharing today at church. I'm really excited for people to come and enjoy. And I hope this gives you some great ideas about what you might be able to do at your church or your picnic or your graduation party or your baby shower or your bridal shower or anything in between. I think would be fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you give it a thumbs up. I hope that if you're new, I hope that you enjoyed it as well. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit that bell notification button because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope that our ice cream bar gives you inspiration for your own one day, and I hope that you give it a try, and I hope that you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.